From simple machinery to intelligent interconnection, every step forward in the automation industry are all permeated with the sweat of perseverance and the faint light of persistence. Early pioneers studied meticulously through the night in front of the blueprints. Repeated debugging in the workshop, facing the pressure of technological blockades and the tide of market competition, interpreting struggle with efficiency and precision. Overcome one bottleneck problem after another. Those late nights bent over the drawing table. Those on-site debugging sessions under the scorching sun. The perseverance of those who do not give up in the face of doubts. Time will eventually be brewed into a metal.